If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a continuation of my part 1 kitchen renovation. So let's see. Finally, all the appliances came, so we're gonna have to do an unboxing and we'll see what happened. Stay tuned.
Wait. No. No. Go.
You won't? Look at this guy, he's not lifting. Look, they had to remove the door so it will fit. But I don't know why he did that. We put the old one outside without removing the door, and now they had to remove the door. It's huge, that's why.
You're gonna be barefoot, yeah? Yeah, I don't have them fresh for like 2 weeks now. Just want to take care.
Look, they had to pick up the old one so they can throw it out. It's garbage. Look, I still have the old fridge here. This is the new one.
Yeah?
No idea. Yeah, like that. Oh, you're so smart. got this oven done. It's not connected yet. It's pretty. This vacuum cleaner is also new. We just bought this early this year because the old one also broke. So anyway, you don't have to carry a heavy vacuum. This is connected to the wall and the dirt goes automatically to the garage. So this is called a centralized vacuum cleaner. It's connected to the house. That's the connection to the vacuum cleaner. Still not ready. Dishwasher. It's almost there. Hey guys, the fridge is working now. See? It's beautiful. It's a nice fridge. It has the water. And it's connected to that. We just turn it on. And look at that. You have a temperature here for the fridge. It's a nice one. I'll be happy. And the freezer, I think is better because it's deep compared to my previous one. See, like that. Now I can put something in it. Okay, so I also put this stove here already, and it's not connected yet. We need to get a gas feeder because it's a gas stove. Okay, all right, clean it up a little bit. Not a lot of mess anymore. So look at the kitchen. It's a lot of cupboard. There's a lot of cupboard here. We're using the air fryer right now. Okay, that's what I have. And the dishwasher is still not ready. Now this is my kitchen. It's clean. This door here is the pantry where I put all the spices and some other stuff that I don't need outside. This is the one that's, I have the stove, it's not ready yet, the microwave, the air fryer, kettle, all the knives, the rice cooker, and we have the cappuccino maker here. If you want latte, it's like the Starbucks thing. That's what we have. And this is my rice cooker. There's no rice. Okay, so that, and this one is not ready yet. So we're almost there, but it looks good already. So let's take a picture of that. Oh, this one is my garbage, for just the garbage, and then this one is for the recycle. Yeah, we have to separate them, otherwise they will not pick up my garbage. So far the kitchen looks good. The next step I'm gonna do is maybe change these cabinet into white, and then change all the knobs, but I don't know if it's gonna happen because it's a big job. I'm not sure if we're going to do it. Maybe I'm just gonna change the countertop, this one here, the counter, but I don't know when because everybody's busy. Look, all cabinets. These are all the snacks. It's not organized right now, it's dirty. Yeah, so this is where you get all the stuff in here. These are the stuff. We don't want to show it to everybody, that's why it's hiding. But I'm showing it to you guys. Okay, so I have all the spices in here. They're cooking. Yeah. This one here is all our other stuff. This is where I put all my pots. Everywhere here. Pots and pan. I know it's a little bit messy, but sorry for the mess. One day it's gonna be clean and organized. So I have to change the curtain. I bought one already, but I don't like it. So this is a breakfast table where as soon as you go in, you can see the backyard. So far, I've been working on this kitchen for, just to clean the kitchen is almost 2 hours. Because yeah, it's too messy earlier, right? My first one, my part one of my video when we renovated this. And this is, it's not the final yet, but it looks good already. Okay. Ice, or crushed ice. You press this one here, it's water coming out. See, can you see that?
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.